Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna be doing my first unboxing with Grow Collaborate. I have this box over here with some other products that I ordered and I'm excited. I've been waiting to me open this box to open with you guys and show you some of my favorite products from them. And this is the first time that I order from the website. I've been using these products before. I got them in Target and I love all of their products and I'm excited for some new things that I got here. Let's go into this. I'm excited and this is how everything looks inside. And I'm excited about these. This is the first time that I'm gonna try them and this is how they look. And if you're not familiar with their products, the best thing of this is that they are all natural products and not toxic, and that's amazing, especially if you have babies, kids around, running around the house and stuff like that. It's very convenient to you do all of your cleaning around your house with these type of products. Okay, so the second item I see over here is the hand soap, and this is the lavender scent. I haven't tried the hand soap, but I have tried the cleaning with the lavender scent, so I'm excited to try this. And everything looks very nice, like they really protect everything pretty well. You can see how everything looks inside. Okay, the next item I have here is actually one of the free items that they give it to you with this order. I got this free bottle and I'm excited to open it and see how it looks. And I'm excited to see how it looks. I heard so much about these bottles and beautiful, and actually it's my favorite color, that mint color. I love it. It's a glass bottle. It's look very good quality. And over here I'm going to be mixing some products that I have. They're all natural that I like to mix, and this is very convenient. It's very nice to have, so I'm excited about this. The next item I have tried this one before. This is the liquid, the wood floor cleaner, and I love it. I like to clean my floor with this product and it's really good. And yeah, I have tried this one before too. The next item I have is this dish soap with the lavender scent. Again, it's my favorite actually, and like I say, I have tried this before, so yep, I got that. And then I have the lotion too. I haven't tried this one and I'm excited about this lavender lotion, and yeah, we'll see how it is. I have the room freshener and it's lavender, and I'm excited to try this. This is the first one. And the last item I have here is something new that I haven't tried, and this is lip balm with hydrating shea seed oil, and is mint argan, and I'm excited to try this. It's the first time that I tried this one. This is how it looks. Yep, that's what I have. 7 items in this box, but actually I have ordered 6 items and the free item that they sent to me. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope you like and enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.